That's mine from Custom Cruise. You can see here, beautiful thing. This is Cycle Vision's number plate, obviously with a completely illegal number. Okay, I'm just going to turn the lights on so you can actually see what's going on. You can see here the build quality of these Cycle Visions units, absolutely second to none. It's a complete billet thing. Fits inside here with a new wheel spacer. This particular one's for a Softail, 2007 up, I believe it is. You can see here, pretty cool because it being black, it all blends in the wires that we've run up the back, and very cool indeed. Okay, you can also see Kellerman style mini indicators, which are very cool. If I put one of them on, press the button, or maybe not, I can't reach it. Okay. But very cool system, and you can see here this side perhaps, yeah, you can see that how bright that is, and that's fully E-marked, fully legal. Just got to sort the wiring out, which is a real mess, as is, you can see here the digital mirrors. Okay, this is a speedo on this side, and also on this side you can see the repeater there and the mini indicator under there. These indicators are fully legal, even though they're so small. You can see here the LED headlight, incredible billet thing. So you're going to get well seen there. I've got to admit, this is pretty cool. On the other side, you can see this is the speedo, the turns and the neutral. Okay, and high beam. If I select high beam, you can see the blue light come on. If I go to this side, we've actually got a rev counter, and we've got the battery light. If I turn it on, you can see that'll be the revs, battery light and the turn signals. Okay, so if you're interested in the awesome stuff, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruises.com, or the new site customcruises.eu if you can get it to work. Thank you.